Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this VEVOR impact socket set. It's 65 pieces. This thing is awesome. It has a quadruple clasp. So it's got the two front ones and it has two side clasps as well. Check that out. Keep everything nice and in place. And look at this set. You have all your deep sockets and metric up here. You have your regular impact sockets. You have a long extension. Then have all your English. All the way up to 1 1/4, and you have 24 on this side. That's really big. Then you have all your smaller impact sockets. Again, basically mirroring all. I mean, look at this set. And then you have a 1/2-inch ratchet. You have some smaller extensions, a 3, a 5. You have a universal swivel. Awesome. And then you have some smaller adapters. But anyway, how well do they work? They work absolutely fantastic on low speeds and high speeds. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.